Hi guys, Bobby D here. So welcome to my review of Coffee Shop Profits. Now, let me start off by saying this is my own product, which is why I think it's so great. But this really is a great method. If you're a newbie or you're not making the money you want to, this will help you. Okay, I'm going to show you 3 of the best affiliate marketing methods that allow you to get results starting today. There's a little video, an intro video by me. Why do you need to get coffee shop profits? These are methods that 100% work and always will. They're what's called evergreen methods, and that is what you want to make money online. Methods that work forever and methods that don't get saturated. Okay, I'm going to show you 3 methods, 2 of them absolutely brilliant methods of how to make money online forever, just like I do. Okay, so it's perfect for the newbie, and they're real long-term strategies that you can use forever. Now, these are some of the results. This is my own account. This is me, Bobby D Online Marketing. And as you can see here, Stealth by Brendan, 30 sales, 1 minute traffic by Matthew, 54, Flip Magic, 68, 1 minute traffic machines again by Matthew Rhodes, 54, Vid Chomper, 17, Flipperdom, 36, and it goes on. 60-minute flips, 55, CPA Reloaded, 37. I came second in that. Commissioner, Unstoppable. Great products on there, and as you can see, I mean that was $10,000 I made there from affiliate marketing, and I do this part time. Remember that I do this part time. I'm going to show you some of the methods that I use to make this money, and I'm going to show you how easy it can be. Okay, now I work full-time in another job. I work 70 hours a week. I've got 6 kids. I've got a busy life, and I still get time to do this. Okay, and you can see proof there. That was $10,000 there, which I made. But what you don't have when you start out is some guidance, and that is where I'm here to help you. I will show you what you need to do to get started, all right? They're really easy methods. They're long-term businesses. These are actually businesses in a box, all right, where you can make money. I'm going to show you everything you need with Coffee Shop Profits, okay? You get over-the-shoulder training. There's about 26 videos in total, and I'll show you exactly what I do. You just copy and paste it. I'll show you proof of my income. I'll show you my bonuses and resources. I'm going to give you 3 bonuses on free traffic, and it works. These methods work, guys. They're evergreen, they last forever, and if you're looking for something that's going to, not one of these push button, make £1,000 in 10 seconds, no, this is real strategies that work, okay? And of course, I'll give you a 14-day money back guarantee. So that is it in a snapshot. That is Coffee Shop Profits. Have a look, guys. It's going to do well, and it's your chance to build a business in a box. Thanks for listening. I'm Bobby D.